Hello everyone, ako si Dexter Braganza. So please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. So ang tuturo ko na araw na ito is tutorial so about to how to stronger your fist. See? So kailangan syempre kailangan mong maglagay ng lubi dito. Sa ditong kahoy. Syempre matatag. Okay, so paano palakasin ang fist? Paano palakasin ang dito, ang chop, palm, how to make strong your punch, your palm, and your elbow, and your this your chin bone. Okay, so of course make sure to exercise. Okay, so distance, kailangan mo ng distansya ito. Okay, so make sure na matigas to, hard, hindi siya daling makat, maputol para pag ganyan. Okay, so your position this, and so this your dito sa ilalagay sa babaw na dito sa medyo ilalim ng chest. Yes, to your abdomen. So, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay. With shout, because if you shout, you lalabas ang yung power to punch. Okay. Okay, then dito 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so elbow, this block. So of course you punch then block. 1, see, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very pain. Okay, so another again, and fist. Okay, so your fist is this. Okay, this the form of fist. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so kick this chain bone. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you're the beginners, you practice this smooth. So hinahinay lang. So like me, those smooth, being hard to hinahinay lang sa practice kung ikaw ay so sa pag you ka na, so you're expert, so you try to to force. So, ilalabas mo yung lakas mo. Yan. Okay? Okay, so yan lang ang ituturo ko ngayon at magbabalik tayo sa susunod nating martial arts tutorial mga kapatid, and salamat sa mga manonood.